So hello friend, welcome back to channel. Previously we are checking how to check the IP. So IPRCon we are using, but there are some other ways. Ifconfig, it is also giving. Ifconfig -a will also give the information, or you can do IP link show. This is also giving your network information. Like this is a Ethernet, okay, and this is the MTU. State is up, default, the GJ you can. Okay, so this is how you can check network devices. Okay, so we are getting details of ENP0S8 and ENP0S3, but it's showing for all. So what we do, if config ENP0S3, it will give the information about this NIC only. So what is giving that IP, net mask, broadcast IP, IPv6, okay, and RX byte error, and these it's showing drop. So if your network is slow, or someone is complaining that network packet is getting dropped, you can check if config and the name of the pipe grab TRP. Okay, so it's showing 0 drop. That means this is working fine. Then NP0S8 is also perfect. So this is how you can check. What else? Now we'll try to change the IP address of ENP0S3. So ENP0S3 is having 105, but we'll do ifconfig ENP0S3 and we'll try to get 108 net mask. What's the net mask? Not sure, because it's giving here. Copy it. See. Now ifconfig ENP0S3. Okay, it's 108. Let's see it's getting connected or not. So the 5 IP is got disconnected. What we'll do, we'll create a session using putty 192.168.1.108 username. Okay, so I'm able to connect using 108. IP address, if you check, 108.1.5.0.5 is gone, but this is the temporary because the config file is having something different. If we restart the network, system CTL status network, right? Okay, let me restart or restart. Let's see what is happening inside. Now IP command will run. Try submit. Again 105 came and we can restart the session. So this how, without changing a config file, you can change the IP address using ifconfig command. Ifconfig Ethernet name IP at mask. That's enough. This how you can change. So that's all for today's video. That's all about the ifconfig. So ifconfig will give you the details. Let me clear my screen. Ifconfig will give you all the Ethernet details, and if you do ifconfig -a, that also is giving you detail. But if you want to specific to an Ethernet, ifconfig and it be in your cat. Okay, you can change the IP address using this command, and you can check package is getting dropped or not. Okay, so we'll read about this again. This Ethernet is having network, broadcast, and net mask. These are the RX and TX packages getting dropped, and this is the MTU, maximum transmit unit. We will discuss about this, what's the MTU and what's the impact of changing MTU in upcoming video. Till then, keep learning. See you in the next video. Bye bye.